Hello everyone, welcome back to Brisimallus. This time we are going to install head unit in Toyota Camry 2007. So this is the head unit. So we ordered separate reversing cam. This is the cables that came with. That includes GPS and the mic. So I'll give you the details in the description for ordering things. Let's install this. Okay, so this is the existing head unit. So we are going to take this part out and then replace this with the new one. Okay, so let's see. The unit, the three nuts, we need to remove it from both sides, so then we should be able to take this out. So this is already broken. Someone already did something wrong with this and already broken. We need to fix that as well. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so this one you just need to lift this sideways, and then you see this, there's a cutting like this, so you need to slide this.
What are you doing?
Just slide this up, then this should come out like this. So you see there is a lock like this. Okay, so just place it there and then slide out, then this will come out. So now this is the unit we separated. Now we just need to connect the new unit. Okay, so the new one again, we just place it down here. Okay, just just place it down and then slide to the right. So it's all kind of plug and play. So this goes in this, and this one should go in this, and this one just should go in this.
How did it
Okay, so this is again a problem, so I just need to fix this before we do this. How that goes. So I'm just going to connect this one here. Kyona. So it's getting started.
Στην Αυστραλία. Τι θα λέγατε να πάρουμε μια πρώτη μουσική γεύση, να κάνουμε την πρώτη μουσική μας στάση λοιπόν.
Yeah, two USBs as usual, so I'll just connect these two USBs. The GPS navigation. So this is a reverse cam. So the GPS is for the mic, so it goes in here. Okay, so we don't need anything here other than the mic, so I'm just going to tap all those things. Okay, this is the one for reverse cam. So everybody usually say my reverse cam is not working. So I had a lot of questions about the reverse cam connection. So this is how it works. Okay, so this is the camera lead and this is a reverse cam from back. So this goes in this here. Okay, and then this goes here. Okay, now so on these cables there's a pink cable. You see the pink cable, so it's written here back. So the cable from here, red, this should be connected to the back. Okay, so this is the trigger for changing the view to the reverse. So we'll be connecting the power to that, so we'll be showing that when we connect the reverse cam in the back. So this red cable coming from the back or reverse cam should connect to the back here. So as I said before, the back is connected to the cable from the reverse cam. So this is the mic one, so I'm just connecting to the mic. Okay, so now we are fixing the back cam. So the cable runs all the way from here. This goes all the way from here to the back on, okay, to the back side here. So it goes all this way from here to there, and there's a small hole here in this area. So from here we can take to the back. So if you see, the cable comes through this hole here. So this is the cable, and then it goes over here. So you have to pull all these, connectors here, so you can take this like this. So a cable from here, it enters here, and then it goes here. So we made a hole here and here on the here. So if you want to reach this area, so you need to actually lift this part. So for that you have one screw here, second screw here, and a clip over here, and then third screw here, and then the fourth screw, this one. You don't need to remove the other screw, just this one. Actually you don't need to just lose those. So if you take 1, 2 and 3, you can just lift this a little bit. So then if you lift that one, you can take the cables through this hole. Okay, now we are going to fix this one here, camera. Okay, and then the important bit, the power. So you need to give the power to the camera. So this is, the red one is positive, black is negative. So you have the reverse cam right here. So you need to connect this cable to the reverse cam here. Okay, so let's see. So this is a reverse view this camera is 180-degree fisheye view. All details will be in the description. Okay, so it's all about the installation. Please subscribe and support us. Thank you.